Hello, boys and girls, and welcome. Today we're going to be learning two new letters and letter sounds that we can use when we read words and we practice our tapping and blending. Today we're going to review the letters that we learned last week in school. This is the letter T. Everyone say T. This is a picture of a top. Top begins with the letter T. The letter T makes the sound T. When we see this card and when we see the letter T, we know the letter keyword sound is T, top, T. Our next letter is B. This is the letter B. This is a picture of a bat. The word bat begins with B. The sound that B makes is B. B, bat, B. This is the letter F. This is a picture of children having fun. The word fun begins with the letter F. The sound that the letter F makes is F. F, fun, F. This is our vowel. All of the vowels are in pink. They are on the pink cards. The vowel that we are working with is A. This is the letter A. This is a picture of an apple. Apple begins with A. The sound that A makes is ah. Think about stretching out that vowel super, super long whenever you see an A. A, apple, ah. Now, we are going to practice writing the letter F. Everyone needs to make sure they have their whiteboard, marker, and eraser. If you don't have a whiteboard, you can use any of the foundation papers you have at home with the sky, plane, grass line, and worm line. Now, to make the letter F, you're going to start and make sure that you are following along with your finger as we skywrite. Start at the skyline, go down, back down to the grass line, and cross on the plane line. So take your pencil now and start on the skyline, swing back and down to the grass line, and cross on the plane line. Make your letter F. F, fun, F. We're going to now next move to the letter B. The letter B is also a skyline letter. To make the letter B, we point to the skyline. Everyone get your skywriters out. Point to the skyline. Go down to the grass line, around and up to the plane line to make that bump for the B. This is the letter B. Everyone take your pencil or your marker and start on the skyline. Go down to the grass line and around and up to the plane line to make your letter B. B, bat, B. We will move on to the letter T. T is also a skyline letter. To make a T, you start on the skyline, go down to the grass line, and you cross on the plane line. Everyone needs to take their marker or pencil and write the letter T. T, top, T. Hold up your board and make sure that your teacher sees your letters. The next letter we're going to work on is the letter A. A is our vowel. A is not a skyline letter, but it is a curved, round plain line letter. To make an A, you make a curve down all the way to the grass line, and then a straight line from the plain line to the grass line. A, apple, A. We're going to focus on 2 new letters for our learning. This is the letter N. Everyone say N. This is a picture of a nut. This is the word nut. The word nut begins with the letter N. The sound that N makes is N. Everyone try that. N. When we see this picture card, we say N, nut, N. The next letter we will work on is the letter M. Everyone say M. This is a picture of a man. The word man begins with the letter M. The sound that the letter M makes is M, man, Practice writing our letter N. N is a plain line letter. Make sure you still have out your whiteboard and marker or your paper and pencil. Skywriters are out, and we're going to point to the plain line, go down to the grass line, trace back up and around to the plain line, and down to the grass line. N, nut, N. Now take your marker or pencil and write the letter N. Start on the plain line, go down to the grass line, up and around the plain line, and down to the grass line. N, nut, N. Hold up your boards. Now we're going to work on the letter M. The letter M is also a plain line letter. What do you notice about the letter M from the letter N? They look kind of similar, don't they? To make the letter M, we start on the plain line, go down to the grass line, up, back, over, and round on the plain line, down to the grass line, and again, there are 2 humps on the letter M. Write your letter M and hold up your board. Here are our drill sounds, and these are our standard sound cards. When the letter appears, you're going to say the letter name and the sound that it makes. So when I see the letter T, I would say T, T. B, B. F, F. A, M, N, Let's try it again. This time, I'm going to flash the cards and I want you to make the sounds. Look at the top of my board. I have 2 letters. I have a vowel in pink and a consonant in yellow. These 2 letters make a word. What sound does the letter A make? A makes the sound ah. So I have ah, and now we need to blend it together with this other letter sound. The sound that T makes is T. So if I have ah, T, and I blend it together, tapping it out, I have at, at. This is the word at. Everyone tap out the word at. At, at. What happens if I put our F in front of this word? We still have at on the end, but now we have the sound on the beginning. At, fat. What happens if we put a different letter? Who can tap out this word? B, at, bat. Let's see, how about this word? Awesome job, everyone.